Hi YOGATX friends, it's Emily here. I am just here to remind you that we do have our Yoga Connection 30-day challenge coming up this January. January is a bit of ways, but it's kind of nice to start setting goals now so that you can really follow through. And so what you can do to sign up is you can sign up for our newsletter, and the link is below for that. And another thing that I recommend is if you've never done a yoga challenge, or if yoga is something that you're just wanting to get into, first off, you're not alone. Second off, if there's a friend or someone that you'd want to do it with, try to have them do it with you. It's easier to keep accountability when you have someone else. So maybe tag your friends below who might also be interested so that we can even build a stronger community throughout the 30 days and the months leading up to that. When you do sign up for the newsletter, we'll kind of remind you of what's to come, and then throughout the 30 days, you'll get a specific newsletter every day based on the daily lesson with different pose breakdowns and journaling prompts and quotes and lots of fun things like that. Also know that we do have our Yoga VIDA channel that we started. So it's a subscription channel, so it's ad-free, and it's not only yoga. We're gonna have meditation as well as massage and some nutrition as well. So it's kind of how to live a holistic lifestyle versus just yoga. So feel free to sign up for that, and if you have any questions, of course, comment below, and I can't wait for January. I'll see you then.